once you get onto Canva and you're logged in, you'll see it looks like this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our website banner. Now this website banner is going to be the width of our website we're going to create. Okay, so you're going to click custom size. We're going to make it 1024 pixels. Make sure it's set to pixels by 300 pixels high. Okay, click create new design. Now that's the width of our website. Okay, now whenever you use Canva, you have got templates, but we're not going to use the templates for this task. We're going to create it ourselves. Okay, now the two main areas you need are elements, which let you search for photographs and graphics, text, which allows you to add text to your graphic, and if you go down to more, okay, you can also add pixels and pixabay, so you can jump straight into when you want to search for images from their website as well. Now you can get images off Google and copy and paste them in, but my recommendation for you is to try and stick within Canva, because all of the images are royalty free and you can then use them for free. Now if you want to use a graphic that you've created in, say, vector, like a logo, you can upload it into Canva. Okay, there's my Sunderland badge that I uploaded the other day, and you can then insert them into your work. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to go to the elements section. I'm going to search for sea. Okay, I want to find a picture of a sea. This looks nice, this one will work well. And when you drag a picture out, there's two ways to drag it. You can drag it out into the middle and then you can resize it. Okay, or you can drag it out, and if you touch the side of your graphic, it will stretch it out so it fits your whole page. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to go to the text tool. Now you can just add text like you would normally. So you've got heading text, subtitles, and body text, which is small text on a website. So if I just click this, okay, I can then move the text. I can give it a name. Okay, I can change the font style if I wish. Okay, I can make it bigger, so you can either do it the lazy way or you can just type the number in. Okay, you can change the color of the text. Okay, you can add effects to the text. And you can also, if you wish, and it might not work in this context, although it could do with a banner, to be fair, you can also animate it as well. Okay, now you can also, and I'm just going to click on this, and if you want to delete anything, you literally just click on it and hit the delete key. You can also use these pre-made texts. Okay, so if you find a style that you like, so say I want to use this one, click it, or you can drag it out, and then if you double click the text, you can edit it. Okay, and you can also, I'm going to put a little graphic icon for our logo, so I'm going to go into this and I'm going to search for surfer. Okay, I'm going to go to graphics. I'm going to find a cool image of a surfer, and you can also drag that out. Okay, now you might decide that you want, at the moment you can see my text is on top of the image, you might decide that you wanted to put an image on top or behind one of your images. So if you click on the image you want to edit, and if you go up to position up here, and then you go to, you can go forward or you can go back, you can change the order. You can also align where the image appears on the page. Okay, so center, top, bottom, right, so on and so forth, which is pretty cool. Now I do want to show you one more thing, okay, and I'm not actually going to use this in my picture, but it's something that's really cool that it does allow us to do, okay, in Canva, which is remove backgrounds. So say I wanted to use this picture, I might drag it out. Okay, now if I want to get rid of the background, I can then go to edit. So click on it first. Make sure you've got the purple box. Edit image. Background remover. And just let it do its work. And it's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. Now we might be left here with this little bit of a surfboard here, which, well, it hasn't. But you can see there, I mean, obviously it's going to be mixed results depending on what you do. But if we get rid of his hand, you can see here, you can use that. It does have pretty good effects and does remove the majority of background. So when I save that now, you won't see that he's got no arm. He'll be cropped out the top. So it does look pretty cool.